everybody, it's Tina, and I'm here with Oldies but Goodies Gen X ATC card, the last one for November. It's hard to believe we're almost to the end of the year. And this one is Mr. Magoo. How can you forget Mr. Magoo? Not that I watched him a lot, but I recognized it immediately who he was. I think he's so cool. I had to think. He always had a tendency to like walk through cars or out in streets, if I remember correctly, and not realize because it was half blind, right? Is that correct? I could be wrong. You'll have to let me know in the comments below if I'm wrong on that cartoon. Because you know what? I've noticed I say these little things like this. You don't know if I'm going to pick you for a prize. But nobody's really answering my questions. So that means you're not following through answering my questions. So let me know. I might be writing a list up of who's answering these little questions I have. I might draw a winner. You never know. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.